Hi guys, I want to show you how to create drop-down lists in Excel. I am going to use the marks of these grade 6 class students for this illustration. Here I have the class list of students and their marks for the different subjects. And on this sheet here I want to create the reports for individual students. All I want to do is call up the name of the student and be able to print their report. I have already inserted if error and VLOOKUP formulas in column B to look up the student's data from the class marks sheet. And I have used conditional formatting in column C to easily highlight if the student passed or failed the subject. If you are unfamiliar with these functions, stay tuned to this channel for videos on these functions. I want to insert a drop-down list in cell B9. All you need to do is go to the Data tab. Click on Data Validation. Select List. Select the source. That is the list of students in the class marked sheet. You have additional options to add to your drop-down list. You can insert an input message. This message shows up when the cell is selected. I will type, select from list. Another option you add is an error alert. This activates a pop-out message when invalid data is entered in the cell. Here you get to choose the icon you want to use. I will select the stop icon. Type the message you want to pop up. In this case we will say, invalid input, select from list. Now we are done creating the drop-down list. If you select the cell, Excel shows you the input message you chose. If we type invalid data, a pop-up message will appear with the error message you chose. I can now select the students from my list and their marks will be pulled through to their report ready to be printed. Thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe and turn on the notification bell.